Hey, welcome back. Now in this video, I'll be talking about how to open or how to recover a workbook which has already been closed without even saving. So I'm gonna tell you how to do that. See here, we have three workbooks, book 1, book 2, book 3. This is the book 1. Here it has some kind of data in it. And here, right now we are actually in the workbook 2, that is book 2. And we also have the third workbook. Okay. Now, if I close one workbook, so I want to close this book 1. Okay. It is asking to save, but I don't want to save it. Okay. So I'm without even saving it, I've just closed. Now, if I want to recover it again, so how to do that? Just go here, file, and go here in the info. Here we have manage workbook. We have an option called manage workbook. Just tap on that. Here we have a drop down, and if you just click on it, here we have an option called recover unsaved workbooks. Just tap on that. So here, so this is the book 1. So I'm selecting it, and again, if I click on open, then obviously my unsaved workbook has now opened. So in this way, you can easily recover any workbook that hasn't been saved for one single time at least. Okay. Now, so I'll tell you an option with which you can feel very much comfortable while working with workbooks. So just go on to this file tab, and here in the more, we have an option called options. Okay. Now here, just go to this save command, save option. Here, see here. Here, what is it actually showing us? Save auto recover information for every 1 minute. Okay. I have customized it according to my requirement, that is 1 minute. Okay. If you want, for example, you can give it 2 minutes maybe. In the sense, for every 2 minutes, it automatically saves your work. No need of saving it. Okay. See here. If you just type 10 minutes, then for only for every 10 minutes, it is going to save your workbook. Okay. Within the 10 minutes, it won't save. Only if it is 10 minutes, then only it will be saved. Okay. So here you can adjust your settings. So I'm giving it as 1 minute. Okay. And then if I click OK here, obviously for each and every 1 minute, my work would be saved automatically. No need of going here and save it again, or no need of uh, always pressing control s. No, we don't need. Why? Because it's automatically getting saved at the back end when we customize this with the 1 minute. So yeah, that's about this topic. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.